Там кто-то есть? Снайпер! Откуда это? Один из наших убит! Там кто-то есть?
Stealth is critical. There is a heavy machine gun looking directly at the main entrance.
Uniform, can you feed enemy positions over?
Updating your map? Now. Dispatch the sentry on the roof 1 o'clock to increase your odds. Best bet is to do it when he's near the right edge to avoid detection.
He's down. Going ahead through the gap on the left.
Rely on foliage to stay concealed at all times.
Осторожно, я его не вижу!
This is 3-2. I've reached the objective in one piece.
3-1, also in position, close to the main complex bay. What does the eye in the sky say?
Still no buyer in sight.
Think our banana nationalist got cold feet?
I doubt it. Maybe just playing hard to get. The guy has a real hard-on for advancing in Abu Sayyaf ranks. He'll show. We just have to wait. 3-1, also in position, close to the main complex bay. What does the eye in the sky say?
Still no buyer in sight.
Think our banana nationalist got cold feet?
I doubt it. Maybe just playing hard to get. The guy has a real hard-on for advancing in Abu Sayyaf ranks. He'll show. We just have to wait.
All Razor elements, we're seeing a vehicle approaching the hotel site from the west. Civilian sedan. ETA 20 mics.
This is it. Everyone on your feet. Anderson, we're on a rock approximately 100 meters from the boat. Can you see us?
Roger, I see it.
Roll call. 2 tangos on the pier, 2 manning the searchlights on the yacht.
I see him.
Take down 1 hostile on the pier when the light is away. That flower bed will hide the bodies, and the storm should mask the discharge sound.
Got it. Ready.
Let's take them at the same time. Like taking candy from a baby. So far, so good. Tap the spotters and then lights. Nice shot. Good shooting.
Copy that.
Shot was good. Razor, heads up. Straggler just jumped out of the main deck. Don't let him near the bodies. Take him down. Kill confirmed.
Clear.
All right, approaching the boat. Now tag the second one. Nice shot. Stolen on the pier. Open fire on the bald guy.
Area cleared.
Vehicle Victor approaching from the southwest.
Cole, take out the lights on the pier to hide the bodies. Nice shot. Nice work. Let's wait him out.
Okay, they're spreading out.
Just a little longer. Wait for it. Nice. One's well hidden behind those rocks. Kill confirmed. Run by the cars, the next target. Nice shot. Last one, on the beach.
All done. A-okay to land.
Affirmative, squad moving in. Uniform, what's the status on the villa?
Site is crawling with enemy troops. Recommend against direct assault. We've identified what looks like a central switch box right to the wooden pergola. If you could disable it, Anderson, going in with NODs will give 3-1 a significant advantage.
Sounds good. On you support.
Direct hit. It's lights out.
Waiting for your go, Razor 3-2. You might want to switch to night vision.
clear to move.
Good work, come on. Uniform Razor 3-3, we are closing on target location. How copy?
Roger. We are going to proceed as planned.
We have eyes on the Russian principal. HVT inbound. Wait a minute. Is that?
It's Marinov.
What is Marinov doing here?
Looks like our old friend has moved up in the world.
You knew about this?
I had a hunch. A while back, I heard a rumor that Marinov had resurfaced as a major player in the illicit arms trade. When they told me some Russian hustler nobody had ever heard of was looking to sell a stolen plague, one name came to mind.
I am gonna kill him, Diaz. So help me God.
You mean we are gonna kill him, Captain? Why do you think I personally requested you? He's down. Gomez, right side. I'm up. Enemy sniper! Where's he shooting from?
Keller, I can't see him. Get to cover!